Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your videos from CapCut straight to YouTube. If you've ever wondered how to take your finished edits and get them up on your channel for the world to see, this walkthrough is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to export your project from CapCut, fine-tune your YouTube upload settings, and make your video go live in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to make sure your video is ready to leave CapCut. Open up CapCut on your computer and either start a new project or open up one you've already started. If you're making something fresh, this is the time to get all your cuts, effects, and music just the way you want them. Take your time. Editing is where your story comes together, so don't rush the creative process. If you're working with a finished edit, just give it one last review to catch any small mistakes, like stray text, audio issues, or awkward transitions. Once you're happy with your project, head up to the top right corner of CapCut. That's usually where you'll find the export button. Clicking it brings up the export screen, where you get to choose things like resolution, frame rate, and file format. These details actually matter. If you pick a higher resolution, like 1080p or 4K, your video will look crisp and professional on YouTube, especially for viewers on larger screens. Frame rate controls the smoothness of your video, and generally 30 or 60 frames per second is a safe bet. Don't stress too much if you're unsure what to pick. CapCut normally suggests sensible defaults. After setting everything up, hit export, and CapCut will start saving your video file to your computer. Depending on your video length and computer speed, this could take a few moments. Don't worry if it seems slow. That's normal, especially for high-quality exports. Just let it run. Soon you'll have your finished video file ready to share. Now, let's get that masterpiece onto YouTube. Open up any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, whatever you prefer, and head to youtube.com. Before you do anything else, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, simply click Sign In at the top right and enter your details. This lets you upload videos to your channel and track views and comments later on. At the top of YouTube's main page, you'll see a little camera icon with a plus sign. This is the Create button. Click it, then select Upload Video from the drop-down. A new window will pop up, inviting you to drag and drop your video file. If you have your exported video handy, you can literally click and drag it into the window like you're handing off a package. If you prefer, hit Select Files and browse for the video on your computer. YouTube will start processing your video immediately. Sometimes this takes a few minutes if the file is large, so feel free to take a short break while it works. Here comes the fun part: adding your video details. Give your video a clear, catchy title. Think about what viewers would search for. Fill in the description with extra info, timestamps, links, or credits. You can also upload a custom thumbnail to make your video really stand out in search results. Take a moment to choose the right visibility option. Public makes it visible to everyone. Unlisted lets you share it with a link, and private keeps it for your eyes only. This is useful if you're not quite ready for the world to see your work, or you're sharing with a select group. After you've set up these essentials, click Next and you'll have options to add end screens, tags, and other details to help your video reach the right audience. When you're satisfied, hit Publish, and just like that, your CapCut video is now live on YouTube. And that's it. You're done. Your video is officially out there. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like and leave a comment below with any questions or if you have your own tips for uploading. Subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your uploads.